Hey traders, Jason here with Day Trading Fearless. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Make sure you guys hit the like button and subscribe. And also leave a comment if you guys like these videos. I'll make more of them if you guys do. But let's jump right into it. This video is going to be how to find a MSS, market structure shift. It's also known as change of character. So multiple names, same exact thing pretty much. So I'm going to show you guys what to look for. And once you really understand what to look for, I think your trading will definitely be changed. You will look at trading in a whole different way. I know I've been doing this for a long time, and I just kind of learned this a little more in depth. I've kind of known it for years, but just been doing a lot of work on it, and it's kind of like, oh, okay, that's all it really is, right? So don't think that just because you've been trading for a few years, you know something. It's always a journey. You're always going to be learning. So a good way to look for a market structure shift, right, is I'm on 1 minute. Let's keep it very simple, right? And essentially, we could see we are in a downtrend, right? So that is the first thing you want to look for. Second thing you want to look for is you want to look for, are we making a high, a low, lower highs, and lower lows, right? Lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, right? And then we make a lower low. So we could see we're just kind of working our way lower. And if you look, we keep making lower highs and the lower lows, usually based off what my waterfall is, right? I teach you all about that in my video course. It's a one-time payment, $99. It's part of one of the strategies in my video course. You also get my weekly and daily trade zones for the S&P futures, 8-hour video course of how to draw trade zones, things like that, look for divergences, and everything I'm talking about helps you with this type of a trade. Links down below in the description. But so we're making lower highs, lower lows. Well, we could see right here, right? We make a low here, and then price rallies. We come down, right? We have the waterfall, but then we see price break through. Well, the thing that I really want you guys to focus on right here are these three candles. Look at this. Open here, close at the high. Open here, close at the high. Open here, close at the high. That is what's called displacement, right? It's a lot of buying. And you can also see that there was actually a fair value gap kind of left behind. Actually, a couple of them, right? You have a fair value gap here, fair value gap there. If you don't know what a fair value gap is, it's essentially a three pattern, candlestick pattern, where you have 1, 2, 3, and you have the high of this candle, low of this. They don't overlap each other, and that creates your fair value gap, right? But the displacement is right here because it's the first time in this entire series that I showed you where we took out the previous high. Think of it as you're walking down stairs, right? If you keep walking down, no stairs higher than the prior stair until we reach this. This is the first stair that's higher. So what I would do is I would come over here and I would draw pretty much a trade zone, something like this. I would look for a bounce off this because what we have, this level right here, is our MSS, market structure shift. We went from being a bearish market to now a bullish market, and we could see that because if we go here, we kind of move forward with a price. Look at what price does. We come back, we revisit right to the fair value gap the start of it. Also, this is kind of like, think of it as a order block, a great way to draw a trade zone, right? Again, I teach you this in the video course. And then we have a nice bounce to the upside and you take profits. So, but this was the telltale was the market structure shift where we go up low. We should have gone lower, but guess what? We made a higher low because the minute price took that out. That's our market structure shift. This is now our swing low. We want to buy on the pullback. We know exactly where our stop goes, right below there. And that's it. So keep it simple. I know a lot of people talk about this stuff and make it confusing. Trust me, I've watched a ton of videos on it, and I'm just like, keep it simple. Just look, use the waterfall. 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Boom. Here, bounce, right? And then we take out that low, another waterfall, bounce, right? Another waterfall, bounce. And then when we break out, now we're looking for reverse waterfalls, and we're just buying on pullbacks with minimizing our risk. So hopefully that helps. Again, if you guys are interested in the video course, in the weekly trade zones, all that, there's a link down below, or go to daytradingfearless.com. Only one-time payment of $99 for lifetime access. But until then, as always, thank you for watching, and we'll talk to you soon.